Hey guys, we are Case Electronic and we want you to be part of this project, contributing in the different rewards programs. You already saw our product. I hope you like it as much as we do.
It's the world's thinnest international charger, 4 times more powerful than its predecessor. It charges smartphones, tablets, and now even the latest Macbooks. Introducing the Mu1. Whether you are travelling, commuting, working, or at home, wherever you are, the Mu1 is your pocket-sized charging companion.
I'm Matt, one of the co-founders of Mu, and we spent the last 2 years developing our next generation and future-proof Mu charger. Our aim was to create one charger for your devices, big and small. We've partnered with a specialist tech company, and now the Mu1 is not only compact and beautifully crafted, also has exceptional engineering inside. It boasts power delivery technology for a fast, adaptive charge, and GaN technology for over 90% power efficiency. The Mu1 is super small and our most powerful Mu yet.
With its patented interchangeable head system, the Mu1 is truly international and can be used in over 200 countries worldwide. The UK plug head has a unique folding mechanism, reducing its size by over 70%. The US plug head has fold-away pins for storage and fits flush against the wall when in use. The EU plug head has a bi-directional mechanism that can be used flush against the wall or straight in, whatever suits best. The Mu1 for all your devices, wherever you are. The Mu1 has a Type-C connector, so you just need to use the appropriate cable for your device. For micro USB products, simply connect a Type-C to a micro USB cable. For Lightning devices, connect a Type-C to a Lightning cable. And for Type-C devices, a C-to-C cable is what you need.
The Mu1 not only looks great, but it's much smaller than standard chargers, more powerful and intelligent, and then with a simple switch of the head, it transforms to become a must-have travel companion. So with your help, we can bring the next generation Mu1 into full production.
The Mu1 for all your devices, wherever you are.
Storage space should never get in your way. That's why we made Gospace. Gospace is a portable, wireless hub that frees up space on your devices. The Gospace app works as a bridge between your devices, SD cards, and the cloud. A 5G wireless connection ensures fast transfer speeds and allows for up to 8 devices to connect for secure transfer between friends. Connect to cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox, or just swap out SD cards and achieve unlimited storage. It connects with iOS, Android, Mac, or PC to maximize compatibility. You can charge your device wirelessly with a USB-C port or standard USB. Free your files with Gospace.
This is Super Cable! Seriously, it's just a phone cable. But seriously, it's the best cable you'll ever buy for $10, or more for that matter. So that's what we're offering. $10, 10 days and only within the USA. Why? Because you guys are special. And it makes shipping super easy. All you need to know about this cable is it has a clever blend of really strong materials, even Kevlar, bulletproof vest stuff, and has clever reinforced connector things. The iPhone ones are licensed by Apple, or MFI for those who care what that means. We also have USB-C and micro USB cables for the iPhone haters. Limited stock, very quick delivery. They're already made in stock and waiting for you to click buy. And then you could show it off to all your friends. The Super Cable! It's a super cable. Simple.
Why are these Type-C cables so not user-friendly? Your MacBook could easily fall off the table by accident. VinPoc Bolt makes charging easier. With quick release that's easier to plug and detached, it provides extra protection for your MacBooks. An instant connection can be made to charge your smartphone, speaker, switch, music player, and more. Bolt is small and exquisite. You can put it into your pocket and take it anywhere. This is a must for your USB-C devices.